Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change language on the Monopoly Go application using mobile device. To change the language in Monopoly Go on a mobile device, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application. Once you're inside the game, tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up the pop-up menu where you'll need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the language option. My language option has been set to English. Simply tap on the language option in the pop-up and from the list of language options available, choose your preferred language from the list and tap on it. Now click on the Change button in the pop-up and the game might prompt you to restart to apply the change. After you do that, the game will reload with the new language setting. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.